Yvonne. To share with you a traveller's notebook that I've made, and this one is in a Jane Austen theme. I'm not going to do a lot of talking because I've tried to do this video a few times and I keep coughing, so I'll do as much as I can right now. So it measures 8 1/4 by 4.5. It has one signature. There are 72 pages front and back. There is lace trim, bead dangles, and I have used digital kits and ephemera from ARTYmaze, Tsunami Rose and Dreamzetc. So I will link them in the description box below so you can go over and check out their shops. So let's get started. So this image here is from Dreamzetc and it's been sewn onto some tea or coffee dyed paper. We have this lace trim here with some cheesecloth and some buttons. There is eyelets and organza ribbon as a closure. Each piece of lace has two bead dangles on it, sorry. And that is them there. So let's go inside. The journal pages aren't Traveller's Notebook size, but I've just turned them into that size for this journal. Some pages are quite good that you can do that. So this is from Tsunami Rose. Here we have a large tag, and there's some stenciling and stamping on the back of there. I've just put this onto some designer cardstock, which is gridded on the other side, so you can either add a photograph or do some journaling on there. Journal card, a tag, a little shrunk down page. This would normally be a full size page, but I just shrunk it down. I've done 4 to a page, and this is one of the flip outs like I normally do. And that all just pops in there like so. With a doily, some edge punching. This is Tsunami Rose. The lace trim with the bead dangles. Whoops, didn't mean to bash the camera. We have a pocket here. Inside the pocket is another little double journaling card, which is a shrunk down page. And inside here we have a large tag, a tag from ARTYmaze, journaling card from ARTYmaze, doesn't want to go in, it's easy when I have it upright. The arms just don't stretch around. Another tag and another tag here. This is a flip out page. We have a postcard, journaling card, and this is just some trifold journal space. And this tag is just clipped on there. We have a doily, some edge punching, another flip out page, and in that we have this postcard there, journal card and a tag. Some music paper, some more of this lace trim with the beads, the centre of the signature. This just flips out so you can journal in there, and that is just attached on here. Here we have a pocket with a postcard and a large tag. Let's see if I can get that in. That flips up, that flips down, and then there is a little pocket on here with another little journaling card. Here we have another pocket And I've just got some lace trim there. We have another little double journaling card, a ticket, a tag here, a large tag, journal card, and another large tag. So it's quite a lot of journal space with all the ephemera that's inside here. Can't get that in. I'll sort that in a bit. Here we have an envelope, and that's from Tsunami Rose, and there's a double journaling card inside there. And then this tag is just tucked into the envelope flap. Here we have it's one of the flip outs, and there's all this inside there, but this flips out like that. So you've got all that journal space. Oops. One more fingers and thumbs. So we have this large tag there, a Jane Austen tag from ARTYmaze, a journal card here from ARTYmaze, and this is from Tsunami Rose, just onto some cardstock, a postcard here, and this tag is from Dreamzetc. Some more of the lace with the bead dangles. Some squared paper, and then on here is another flip with a tag, and then inside there is another one of those, a journal card and a postcard. And that is the back. So that is the journal. Hope I was in frame. So like I said, I've tried to do this a couple of times and I just keep coughing. Thank goodness I didn't cough through this one. I'll put all the links below, and this is also going to be listed in my shop if you're interested. If you have any questions, just ask, and thanks for watching. Bye.